AI is going to replace designers. Let's talk about it properly. I see a lot of people, especially beginners, getting a little scared like, should I even learn UX now? I get it. Even I thought about it. But here's the thing, UX was never just about designing screens. UX doesn't really happens on the screen. It happens in the mind. This idea is beautifully explained in Design for How People Think. Like when you open an app, you don't think, oh, nice alignment. You just feel this is easy or this is confusing. Have you ever opened a website and within 5 seconds, you just close it? Not because it's ugly, but because it feels tiring. That feeling, that's UX. Now AI, it's very powerful. No doubt it's very powerful. But it doesn't understand like humans do. From UX for AI, it predicts based on data, patterns, past behaviors. Like if 1,000 people clicked a button, AI learns, okay, this works, but it doesn't know why it felt right. Let's say a user is confused, but still clicks something. AI might think, good design, but a designer will notice, no, this is friction. This is where the real difference is. There is a very simple idea in UX. Don't make me think from don't make me think. It's written by a very famous designer. Users don't want to figure things out. They just want it to work. Like when you open Swiggy or any food app, you don't study the interface. You just order. But some apps, you open them and you are like, what am I even supposed to do here? Making something feel this simple takes a lot of thinking. Another thing people ignore, words. From strategic writing for UX, small things like button text, error messages, instructions, they actually guide people. Submit versus get started, same function, but different feeling. UX is very subtle like that. Now the real question, will AI replace UX designers? No, but it will definitely change how we work. AI will help you generate ideas, create layouts faster, explore options quickly, and that's actually a good thing. But someone still needs to understand people, ask the right questions, notice what others miss. In UX for AI book, there is this idea that AI works best when it's guided by humans. So it's not AI versus designers, it's designers who know how to use AI versus those who don't. If you are starting in UX, don't be scared. Just don't stay surface level. I'm also trying to push myself. Learn how people think, observe behavior, understand why things feel easy or difficult. Because tools will change, but understanding humans, that will always matter. Thanks. If you like the video, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel.